Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I'm making chicken patties. Absolutely delicious and really simple to make. Okay, so I have chicken meat around 650 grams. I will add spring onion, a small onion, carrots, 1 egg, a few garlic cloves, parsley and dill, 1 slice of bread, a tablespoon of tomato paste for color but taste too, and salt and pepper. Okay, water over this. So you can grind the meat with a meat grinder. I'm gonna use the food processor. Chicken meat is super tender, so I'm gonna just mince it out with the food processor. And I'm gonna do the same with onion and garlic, and only the carrots I'm gonna grate them on the finer grater. It is cut in smaller pieces like this. Okay, nice. So I will put this in the bowl here and continue with the rest. Okay. Perfect. Again in the bowl. Okay. Garlic, onion. Garlic here. So these, be careful with your fingers. Like so. And I have here the bread, and I'm gonna squeeze the excess water from it, like really good. And place it here. I don't have much more. I don't know. I thought I have more, but I don't. An egg, like this. Tomato paste in here. Okay. Oops. bit of salt, not much more. Okay. Like that, and like so. But to make sure that all of these are binded together. Yeah, all good now. I will need flour to toss these into flour, and okay, now you should have your hands wet and get a generous portion out of these and flatten them up and toss them in flour. Shape them a bit more and place them here. Okay, flour. Cover them really good with flour though. You can use breadcrumbs to toss them in. I don't have any more.
I fried them in sunflower oil on low medium heat and took them on a napkin, and this is how they look. I serve them with a salad and they are delicious, warm or cold. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.